Here I will show you how to regularize your attendance on Peoplefirst. First of all, open the Peoplefirst app. Click on three lines on left side, the top. Click on event attendance, my calendar, and here is the date of 11 which is not regularized or mispunched. Click on the date and click on the regularize option. Punch in time. Here you will enter the time which is according to your shift, and so my shift is 12:40 p.m. to 11:00 p.m. and reason, and here issue remark, it is not mandatory, and confirm. Your attendance is regularized and it goes to your L1, your manager. If he confirm, then your attendance will be in green. Thank you.